Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And some of you might have already seen this video, but I had a video playing in the background and it had two voices, mine and somebody else's. So I thought I'd just do it again. It's about the attribute eyedropper tool. And this particular one is about the distort and the shadow. This is a big deal. When you distort something, you can't distort two items or objects exactly the same because it's just minute little hand movement. But if you take the attribute eyedropper tool and go up to effects and do the distortion and then take a sample of that and then go to your new object, it's going to distort it the exact same thing. Same way with the shadow tool. Go to the attribute eyedropper tool, go to effects, this time pick shadow, and then go to your shadow and pick it and then click on your text that you want as shadow. You can't do that precisely by hand because of the fact when you distort something, I'll just give an example real quick. When you get your distort tool and you distort and you move just a little bit versus a little bit more versus a little bit more, you couldn't reduplicate that and get it right twice because it's a hand movement of the mouse. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.